We're looking at a equals xd over x plus d. Sometimes with these fractions that have plus or minus in either the numerator or denominator of the fraction, I'll put some parentheses to make sure I don't break into those and cancel things. So this is stuck, and I probably need to start by just getting this x out of the bottom. And that might be best by putting this over 1 and doing cross multiplication. So we have 1 times xd equals a times x plus d. We got to be careful. We got a and d here, and we don't want to get those confused. We have xd equals ax plus ad. On some of the problems we have not distributed, but I need to get access to this x because I'm noticing there are clones of x's, and I need to get these x's on the same side. All right, now I got my clones of x's on the same side. I got everything else on the other side. And now I'm going to factor or undistribute. I'm going to pull out the common factor that I actually want also, which is the x. And I'm left with d minus a. Also double check it by if you redistribute, do you get back to where you started? All right, and now I want to get rid of d minus a. Divide. This is in parentheses even though I didn't put it, which means that this answer is my answer and is fully simplified. I can't do anything else to this other than if I maybe chose to write negative a plus d versus d minus a. Can't cancel these. Can't split this into two fractions. This one had a little bit of everything. We cross multiplied. We had to move terms. We had to factor or undistribute. And then we still had a little more work in the last step.